St. Margaret Senior Secondary School organized Artex on Saturday, the 26th of July 2014 in the school premises. Artex, a pool of multi-talents exhibited by the energetic and enthusiastic students. We at St. Margaret believe that knowledge is liberation, the cornerstone around which the character and personality of every child is built. The students are being prepared to face the challenges of the 21st century. Keeping this in view, we provide a platform to all the students to exhibit their talents in the areas of their interest. Approximately 1,000 students participated and exhibited their talents in the Cultural Fest Cum exhibition. The students have not only developed a conceptual learning in different subjects, but also have learned to work in teams, develop the sense of responsibility towards work, sharing views, extending their cooperation to each other, and above all, knowing the importance of our culture and its values. The event was witnessed and applauded by our chief guest, Mrs. Rashmi Gehlot, Deputy Director of Education, Northwest District, Delhi, and a galaxy of intellectuals from the esteemed institutions in Delhi. The Waves of Melody by the school orchestra enchanted all our guests as they entered the venue of the cultural event. The event started with a welcome dance in the traditional classical form. The school principal then welcomed all the dignitaries and parents to the event and thanked them for motivating our students with their presence. The celebration started with the lighting of the holy lamp of knowledge by the members of the management, principal, and the invited guests. The event was then inaugurated by the school chairman, Mr. B.R. Goswami, and he addressed all the participants and the parents during his inaugural speech. The cultural events organized by the English department, Hindi department, Sanskrit department, and music department included English play, The Bishop's Candlesticks, Hindi play, Katputli, role plays, advertisements, group song, dances, and Sanskrit Kavyali. All the items presented on the stage showcase the talents of the Margaretians and were applauded by one and all present.
होगा, इसे बाबा बोलना ही होगा। बोल गुड़िया, मैं तेरा बाबा। बोल, मैं तेरा बाबा नहीं है। बोल गुड़िया, मैं तेरा बाबा। मैं तेरा बाबा नहीं है। मैं तेरा बाबा नहीं है।
करते सब विश्वास हमारा यही अनोखा मर्म है, यही अनोखा मर्म है।
माता शत्रु पिता वैरी, चैन बालो न पाटता, ना शोभते सभा मध्य, अंत मध्य भगो यथा। अर्थात वह माता पिता अपने संतानों के शत्रु है जो उनको शिक्षा प्रदान नहीं करते। Please go down to
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear sweetie. Happy birthday to you. Never say no to Panda.
The exhibition of models by the students of the institution was truly a combination of creativity, intellect, and concern for social and environmental problems. The message of our tiny tots gave was the role of individuals in conservation of natural resources through their exhibits. Their effort towards spreading awareness regarding the urgent need of conservation was praised by all.
We do not waste water. Water is our life. Save water, save life. Don't buy pollution. Don't use plastic sticks. Don't use chemicals. Plant more trees. It makes the pollution free. My model is based on how to save earth. Don't cut trees. Plant more and more trees to stop this pollution because there is solution. Air is up, air is down. Air is all around. Trees give us food, vegetables and oxygen. Trees give vegetables. Trees give fruits. We should plant more trees in the cities of the world. Hello? Today I am a tree. I give you shelter, I give you oxygen to breathe. Air is up, air is down. Saving the earth makes me smile. I am a tree, tall tree. Nest in the ground, this is palliation. I love birds, please save them. Save us, save life. I have 6 faces, 1 face and no edges and no vertex. I have 2 edges and 3 faces. I am a cone. आओ मिलकर शीश झुकाए ज्ञान के इस मंदिर को. Jupiter is the largest planet. I have 4 sides and 4 corners. I am round. I have 3 lines and 3 corners. Enjoy the beautiful world. I am an astronaut. I go into the space. This is my spaceship. I am using a cloth to wash my dad's car instead of a hosepipe. The car is looking neat and clean. This is healthy food like sprouts, cereal, vegetables, fruits, etc. They make us healthy and strong. Plants are useful. Medicines, rubber, fruits made of sticks, straws. These are primary colors. This is red, this is blue, and this is yellow. From these three colors, we make different color. As yellow with red makes orange.
And how can we make green?
Blue with yellow makes
वाओ, ये क्या है?
green. Magic game है.
कैसे खेलते हैं इसे?
अगर इस टमाटर पे लगाएं तो सही जवाब होगा तो लाइट जलेगी.
ये तो बत्ती जल गई, इसका मतलब मेरा जवाब सही है. If I'll tell you 8 - 4, क्या होगा फिर इसमें?
4.
ये तो लाइट ब्लो कर रही है, मतलब my answer is
करेक्ट. पृथ्वी में सभी चीजों को अपनी ओर खींचने की शक्ति होती है.
Science Spectacular, organized by Science Department, included an exhibition of models based on the applications of scientific principles in daily life, the scientific basis of customs and culture in different areas around the world, a photo gallery of endangered species, a miniature model of the solar system, and a theater showing film clippings of common diseases, their prevention and treatment.
Welcome and good morning to the amazing and spectacular world of magic. Here you'll get to see from the smallest drop of water to the deepest ocean. Here you'll observe your wildest dreams coming true. From magic tricks to your blood group, blood pressure, BP and creative models, you'll see everything in this spectacular science camp.
How many planets are there?
8 planets.
And which is our planet?
Earth.
It is a part of our respiratory system. We purify the air.
This is a travel block tower train, and these trains are commonly seen at the construction site.
The basic concept of this model was conservation of momentum. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity.
And my model is remote control car. It's work on the buttons of DP/dt, which change the circuit of the motors. It works on positive and negative.
This is my model, hydraulic lift. It works on the principle of Pascal's law.
Steam engine basically we all know were used in old trains, like they're still used like in hilly areas, etc.
It is a portable cooler. We can put it anywhere from protection from the sun rays. Here it is mainly used for the multi-purpose projects where not only conventional paths are available, so we can use up on any path we desire.
This is a solar oven. It works on solar energy. We have used 4 reflectors so that the sunlight going in any direction will reflect any type of a reflector present in it and gets converged into this box.
In this model, we have used magnetic suspension, which causes zero friction and therefore no wear and tear, and it will be long lasting.
Magnetic levitation is a method by which an object is suspended with no support other than magnetic field.
This is a science city in which we are showing the solar panel. Through this is a sun source and the true solar panel,
And which is used at night or when it is required.
We are using the concept of solar energy by which the sunlight will heat the air which enters through these panels, and the convection produced will cause hot air updraft in the tower by a chimney effect.
4 types of blood group: A, AB, B and O.
programs mentioned here, and this Biznomics 2014 and 15 is the name of the Commerce Department.
E-commerce, it's a new world of buyers and sellers. E-commerce business is a very good business and it's very easy to start.
ये मेरा यूनियन बजट के ऊपर जो इस साल 10 जुलाई को ही वो पेश किया गया हमारे मिनिस्टर ऑफ फाइनेंस के थ्रू अरुण जेटली जी, और इसमें सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो चीज़ है वो है फिजिकल डेफिसिट हमारी कंट्री का, जो जितना कम होगा उतना बढ़िया होगा हमारी कंट्री के इकोनॉमिक के लिए.
This is a stock exchange in which the people used to exchange their shares to different peoples and contacts. It's a boon for Indian economy as privatization will help in modernization of railways.
Communication generally means sending and receiving the ideas. In business, communication is very important as it helps us to reduce the barrier.
The presentations and street play based on consumer rights organized by the Commerce Department enlightened and entertained the audience.
अरे बैठ के झंझट में कौन पड़े?
क्या आप दवाइयाँ लेने से पहले एक्सपायरी डेट चेक करते हैं?
इतना टाइम किसके पास है?
कहीं आप नकली दवाइयाँ तो नहीं खरीद रहे?
अरे हमें क्या पता, हम तो आम आदमी हैं। ये है आज की पढ़ी लिखी हुआ, कहीं खाई कहीं कुआं। आओ दिखाएं आपको कुछ किस्से, सोच बदल जाए आपकी जिससे। अरे तनिषा, तुम कल काम पे क्यों नहीं आई?
उस्ताद जी, मेरी सास की तबीयत बहुत खराब है। वो तो भला उस डॉक्टर का जिसने आधे दाम पे दवाइयाँ दी।
आधे दाम पे दवाई? आजकल आधे दाम पे कौन दवाई देता है? जरा मुझे दिखाओ।
अरे मुझे क्या दिखाए, तू डॉक्टर लग रहा है क्या?
अरे माता जी डट जाओ जरा, ये दवाई तो एक्सपायर्ड है।
एक्सपायर्ड मतलब?
एक्सपायर्ड मतलब माता जी ये दवाई खराब है।
नास बेटे, सब मुझे मारना चाहते हैं। शायद माँ जी तभी आपकी बीमारी इतनी बढ़ती जा रही थी।
आगे से कभी भी दवाई लो, एक्सपायरी डेट जरूर चेक करना। ये है एक्सपायर्ड दवाई लेने का अंजाम। ये का अंजाम, ये का अंजाम, ये का अंजाम, ये का अंजाम। चेक करो एक्सपायरी डेट, वरना लग जाएगा तुम्हारे नाम के आगे लेट। अगर हो जाए तुम्हारे साथ कोई धोखा तो जाओ कंज्यूमर कोर्ट, किसने है रोका? किसने रोका? किसने रोका?
And I made this Dabur company logo. My logo is Google. It is also known as Toggle.
I have made this logo Android, as you know it is very common in every phone and everyone is using Android phones.
I have made the logo of Pepsi.
I have made the Apple logo, Apple company logo.
See, I have made the logo of Windows offered by Microsoft.
Matrix was tricky, enjoyable, and a learning experience for all. The efforts of Maths department to showcase the importance and applications of mathematics in our daily life became fruitful by the participation of parents in large numbers.
This is a model of volume, the relationship between the volume of a cone and cylinder. There are 3 cones and 1 cylinder. The circumference and radius of all these 4 are equal. The 3 cones are fulfilled by the serials.
A cumulative frequency curve is called an ogive. There are 2 methods for constructing an ogive. One is more than ogive and another is less than ogive.
In my model, I have displayed information about quadratic equations. Quadratic equation is a polynomial of degree 2 and its general form is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0.
Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the relations of 3 sides, 3 angles of a triangle.
As you see that this is the tower and AB is its height. This is AC, which is the distance from it to the entry point.
Is it to Apna Bazaar? Yeah, sure. Please tell us, what is this?
This is a 1 meter scale. It is used to measure this type of cloth.
Give us 1 kg of sugar. Okay, ma'am. First, please show us which things did you have?
We have sharpeners, cost of 5 rupees each. Coloring books, cost of 10 rupees each.
एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला है कि लिटिल स्टूडेंट्स जो है they have some creative ideas and they learn us about something, the new game.
Very nice effort school is putting, and I think in every dimension of life, students are going to achieve.
Fun and Knowledge, organized by the Social Science Department, provided a place where one could involve themselves in different kinds of games, provide knowledge of historical and geographical facts.
We all know Delhi lies in high disaster zone and people are not aware how to protect themselves. So we have created a game, Snakes and Ladder, through which people can get aware. We start the game by rolling the dice on the floor and walking on it.
This is the model of solar system. Solar system consists of 8 planets and it moves its axis called orbit. You are seeing shining dots are called stars.
This is a model of an earthquake. When the earthquake comes, all the buildings, herds and trees are broken.
With the help of this puzzle, I have to learn to locate states and capitals of India.
Lost states and their capitals.
You have to throw the dice and which number comes, take this card and ask the question and you tell the answer.
Rainwater harvesting, we can save the water by using this method.
These are question answers. If the answer is correct, the light will blink like this.
Core of the earth is made up of molten rocks and gases. This molten rock is known as magma.
These are the main rivers of India. They are Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Narmada, Tapi, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri.
To representing the Rajasthan state. The people of Rajasthan wear colorful clothes. Men like to wear dhoti kurta and a turban.
साडे पंजाब की तो बात ही निराली है. पंजाब के खाने की तो बात ही कुछ और है. मक्की की रोटी, सरसों का साग.
Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. The people belong to Lepcha, Bhutta or Nepal tribal groups. The women like to wear long skirt called baku and beaded jewelry.
Jammu and Kashmir, it is a very beautiful place and is called paradise on earth. I am Jhansi Ki Rani. I am the queen of princely state of Jhansi.
I am Bal Gangadhar Tilak, described by British as the father of Indian unrest. My slogan, Swaraj, self-rule is my birthright, inspired millions of Indians.
Indian states through jigsaw puzzle. In this, we have to find the countries in their right locations.
We will give you cards of historical monuments and you have to place them on right shades within 1 minute.
Today, we are presenting a game twist and answer. To make every children should have social studies knowledge on their tips.
You have to swirl a needle and answer a fun question. You can win prizes and also a history scholar badge. Ocean evaporates by the sun rays and then it forms clouds. After forming clouds, when the clouds exert a certain limit,
Painting faces of villages in hilly areas. It is showing that there were manual practices in hilly areas, but now they are using trolley system.
सैंड मार्केट स्कूल में जिस तरह बच्चों को डेवलप किया जा रहा है, उससे लगता है यकीन ही नहीं होता कि ये 4th, 5th के बच्चे और 6th के बच्चे इतना बढ़िया मॉडल्स बना सकते हैं।
ये सारी प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत अच्छी है, मुझे बहुत पसंद आई और मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी आपकी प्रिंसिपल रेनू जैन जी का, जिन्होंने ये सब कुछ ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया। इससे बच्चों की प्रतिभा का पता चलता है और बच्चे अपने आप को बहुत अच्छे से साबित भी करते हैं।
वी आर प्राउड कि मेरा बच्चा यहाँ पर पढ़ता है, क्योंकि आर्टिक्स में बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। बच्चों के साथ साथ एज ए पेरेंट हमें भी बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है।
इसमें जो है तो बच्चों की क्रिएटिविटी सामने आती है।
ये एक बहुत अच्छा एफर्ट है स्कूल का ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट के लिए।
The IT department chose to address one of the deadly social issues among this youth. The presentations on cybercrime by our tech-savvy students depicted the ways and means to prevent cybercrime and the consequences of indulging in such heinous crimes.
New technologies launches new criminal opportunities. Cybercrime initiates spectrum of attacks such as phishing, viruses, piracy, bullying, theft, etc.
So this is the movie on cybercrime. We have showed all the terror attacks based on the cybercrime which has happened in our world.
Cybercrime in actual it is, and if we have cybercrime with us,
human trafficking can occur at local levels. Human trafficking has transnational implantations. Trafficking is mainly common in children. It is increasing day by day.
We have made the model on cyber attack. This is a firewall which protects our computer from these attackers.
Common thing in the computer world is about cybercrime. Let's begin with the Excel charts about cybercrime.
Cybercrime is a crime, are the crimes done with the help of computers. Cybercrime is a criminal activity which done by the computer and internet. First is take a strong and unique password. It is not to take our pet's name or mobile number. This is very easy to guess.
Online shopping and telling the passwords of their credit cards and other things to other people's, which can be very harmful.
This is a simple game where we have to just pass the car from the hurdles.
That such games increase the concentration of students. It helps in developing the activity conducted by our minds.
This is a model of cyber crimes. There are different types of cyber crimes: identity theft, malicious software, hacking, theft, cyber stalking, and child abuse. Sir, there are more cyber crimes.
The talent of our students in creating something from nothing was very evident in the exhibition organized by the art department.
And I covered it with a newspaper dress. This all is a recycled newspaper doll. I am making a drawing of a flower with the help of a poster color and the fabric paint. And I will take the help of my partners to make it.
We have used an old pot and covered from a foil paper, and using the poster black color we are giving the oxidized look to it.
I am making a pot decoration. It is a old pot.
Today I am going to make the sun. First we have to make the base.
The efforts made by our students to display their innate talents were appreciated by the guests as well as the parents. These words of appreciation will encourage our students to further explore their talents and bring the best out of them.
You need to see very fresh new things, and I really want to appreciate all the students who have done a great effort.
My child is in this school. Ma'am has done lots of creative work and children are doing very well.
I like working models very much. Small students done such a great job. Teachers done a great job.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. टीचर्स की मेहनत भी सामने आ रही है. बच्चों ने जो करा बहुत अच्छा लगा. बच्चे जो सीख रहे हैं टीचर्स से ही सीख रहे हैं.
So it's very nice to see all these working models being made by these small kids. Very nice.
बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज़ करवा रहे हैं स्कूल वाले. I appreciate that.
और इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ होनी चाहिए जो है, क्योंकि इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ से जो है ना फ्यूचर आगे बच्चा काफ़ी कुछ सीखता है जो इस तरह का जो है.
I think I should give hats off to the students and staff of St. Margaret School. It's a tremendous job they're doing. Organizing such a big event, it's a tremendous job.
Students from Step by Step, and we are proud the way the school is teaching the children.
Artist program was held today in the school campus, and it was very successful. Whatever was made, it was with the efforts of teachers and students. The principal was controlling everything, and it was done very well, and everybody appreciated. Parents were very happy to see this, and we are proud of our teachers who have done so much of hard work and presented this program.
Today we had Artex, which was an exhibition on projects and art and craft. These projects, since the students have done during their summer vacations, is a great experience for the parents, because the parents get a chance with their child, and a child learns creativity, he learns how to focus, he learns how to develop an eye for perfection and a passion to work. This is besides his academic work, so children enjoy this a lot, and we saw some very good projects in our exhibition today.
Exhibition which has been depicted by the students of the work which they have done during the summer vacations. Actually, CBSE has introduced CCE, which is Continuous and Comprehensive Evaluation, and this work comes under this only, and the students are being graded for this, and they are being told in advance that whatever work they will do, whatever project they will make, that has to be their own work, not something from the market. So this has been the practice, that they make good projects, but they are made from the market, which we discourage, and whatever the children make, we grade them accordingly. And this was just a projection of whatever they had done during the holidays, and it was a good motivating factor for the students, even for the parents also.
Artex indeed was great fun and enjoyment, and a great learning experience.